this video you will be learning how to do Namaskaram of Bharatnatyam, and this will be in Kalakshetra style. That is what I have learned. So this Namaskaram is done in 16 counts, and I'll teach you each step, each movement and the hand gesture used in it, and I'll tell you the meaning and significance behind each movement as well. In Kalakshetra also there are two versions of Namaskaram. One that we usually do in classroom, it's a shorter version, and there's another one which is a little elongated, and it is done on stage usually. So let's begin with the classroom version first. So we begin with the standing position, that this is called Samam. Our toes and heels are aligned together, and then we bring our hands in front of the chest. This is called Kataka Mukham, this hand gesture. Two of them together in front of your chest. Elbows never drop. Elbows are up. But this also does not happen. So relax your shoulders. Keep your elbows on your own shoulder level, right in front of your chest. And there's a distance between my chest and my hands. It's not too close or too far. It's a subtle distance between my body and my hand. Okay? Then after this we start with tapping. Okay, I will not do the mirror image, I will do the proper one. So this is my right leg and this is my left leg. I'll switch it. So we'll begin with right, left. This tapping signifies that we are tapping on the floor and letting the Mother Earth know that we are going to dance. Since there's a little thing that I like to believe, that since we are going to tap so much on her, we kind of let her know that okay, we are going to tap a lot more, so please excuse us. This is something, little thing that I like to believe, but what I have been taught was, when we tap, with this tapping we prepare our mind and body that we are beginning to dance. So usually the posture maybe that we might have is this, but when we are dancing, when we are doing Bharatnatyam, it changes. We come in a complete different body position. So 1, 2. Next, we bring the hands here. This is called Shikharam. We bring it on shoulders, take a full round and come down. With this we are signifying that we are pointing to all the 8 directions and taking the blessings of all the 8 directions. So instead of doing a full turn around in Namaskaram, we do it a simpler version, just from your shoulder, full circle and down. While doing this, what I did with my foot, I opened it and I sat in Murumandi with my heels raised up. Okay? And my hands come joining together here. Next step is with Chaturam. I touch the floor and bring it to my eyes. It's quite simple. I am taking blessings of Bhuma Devi here. Bhuma Devi, Bhu Devi or Mother Earth, whichever is fine. We touch the floor and bring it to our eyes. After that, join our hands in Namaskaram and come back standing up in Samam position. Joining our hands simply means that we are doing Namaskaram. So in this case we have a certain order that we follow in our mind, that the first Namaskaram always goes to the God, second one goes to the Guru, the teacher, whoever has been teaching you. Anybody can be a Guru. And the third and final one is for the rest of the audience. There are versions where hand goes up in 3 layers, but I do the direct one, that is from after touching the floor, come back to the chest level in Namaskaram. Now I'll do the Namaskaram once again from the beginning with the count. So the Namaskaram is done in 16 counts, 8 and 8. Takkadimi, 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 takkadimi. Okay? So I'll put the counts and then with takkadimi. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Again. Tak, ka, di, mi, tak, ka, di, mi, tak, ka, di, mi, tak, ka, di, mi. One more thing I'll add so that I can do once again. Before doing Namaskaram, we say Dhalanku so that we know when to start exactly. So, Dhalan, tutak kata, dingin na tum, tak, ka, di, ni, tak, ka, di, ni, tak, ka, di, ni, tak, ka, di, ni. This is the Namaskaram. Then we come back to Samam position, and now we are ready to dance. Usually we start with Tattaduns. So that will be another video. Hope you learned how to do Namaskaram, and let me know.